AquaDrive M Float is marketed as a motorized inflatable watercraft that lets you cruise across lakes, pools, and other calm waterways with minimal effort. The promotional videos make it look fast, powerful, and incredibly fun, but the real question is, what doesn't the marketing tell you? Now, to be fair, motorized inflatables are a legitimate product category and can be an enjoyable way to spend time on calm water when used as intended. What it does well: fun recreational experience. It offers a unique way to explore calm waterways compared to a standard inflatable float. Portable design. Because it's inflatable, it's much easier to transport and store than a traditional boat or personal watercraft. Where the height falls apart, it's not a jet ski replacement. The speed, acceleration, and handling are much more limited than a personal watercraft. Battery life varies. Runtime depends on factors such as rider weight, speed, and water conditions. Inflatable materials have limitations. Sharp objects, rough surfaces, and impacts can puncture or damage the float. So, should you buy the AquaDrive M Float? Short answer, yes, if you know what you're buying. If you're looking for a fun motorized inflatable for relaxing rides on calm water, it may be worth considering. But if you're expecting performance of a real boat or jet ski, you'll likely be disappointed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.